like Broly diamonds fat. Photo cat, two-door fast. Count the guava, take the roof off fast. You move so fast. I told you a pro, you do it so fast. Got the nigga loaded in. We can have a blast.
What's up, RAYSKII gang? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. So today, y'all, as y'all can hear, the motherfucking pan over here sizzling. So y'all, today we gonna be cooking with motherfucking RAYSKII, y'all. Okay, so we gonna be making my famous motherfucking bagel breakfast sandwich. Yeah, we got the sausages over here cooking. We gonna make some eggs. We got the blueberry bagels. We got the cream cheese. We got the salt and pepper for the eggs. And yeah, we got the cheese. And so, we gonna just go ahead and cook this up. These sausages ready to be flushed. Y'all, I put a little bit of olive oil in here too. I put some olive oil in there. And yeah, so we just gonna let these cook, and I'll be back when the sausages is done so we can make the eggs. So my sausages is done. Come on, my sausages is done, y'all. So I like for them to be a little dark. I don't really like for them to be like that, so I'm gonna let that one stay in there for a little bit longer. But I'm gonna take the other ones out. And we gonna be back when I put the egg, when I start getting the eggs together. Okay, y'all, so now we finna get started with the eggs. So I'm gonna put the eggs in here. So I'm not gonna scramble them. I'm gonna fry them. So now I'm gonna add the pepper. And salt. And I'm not really gonna stir it, but I'm gonna kinda stir it once I put it in the pan. So I got this on medium. I'm gonna add some more olive oil. Make sure it's hot before I put the eggs in there. And once it get hot, it's not getting hot yet. So once it get hot, I'm just gonna pour it in there. It's not hot for real, y'all. I done fucked up. So I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more so it can get hot. Okay, so once you see the egg yolks, no, the egg whites getting white, I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of bust the yolks a little bit. And I'm gonna just let that cook. So I'm gonna be back when it gets halfway done. Yeah. So once it get like this, and you can like just do that without the spatula going through, you're gonna try to flip it, because I don't know if I can flip it. So we're gonna get the cheese. And we gonna put it on one side. And then we're going to take the other side and flip it. And then we just going to let that cook. So basically, y'all, I just made an omelet and I wasn't trying to do that. But because I'm being lazy right now, that's what we're going to do. Okay? So we're going to let the inside cook for a little bit more. And then once it's done, I'm going to cut it in half. And we're going to prepare the bagels. Okay. Okay, so the eggs is done. So now I'm just going to put some butter in here. I need to turn my eye down. So once I put my butter in there, I don't normally do this, but my baby, the cameraman back here, requested it. So, yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and put the bagels in there. And we just going to let that cook. So I think I should put a little bit of olive oil because the butter be drying out. So we're gonna let that cook, and once those is done, we're gonna go to the station over there, and we gonna hook up these motherfucking we gonna hook up these motherfucking my motherfucking but what I call these? My famous breakfast bagels. Yeah, that's yeah. Okay, so I had to sit my fat ass down because I'm hot. So we got the bagels done. We got the eggs and the sausages. So let me cut this in half. See what this is looking like. A little cheese pull, just a little bit, Okay. So now I'm gonna take the bagels. I'm gonna spread some butter. Now you don't really need butter if you don't want it. I'm gonna just do it for one of them. So once you got the butter on there, then you're gonna add the blueberry cream cheese. So I really only put the cream cheese on one bagel. You want it on both yours? So yeah. So I'm gonna just put it on one bagel. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the egg. Add the sausage. See, now I normally put bacon on here, but we have some technical difficulties. We ain't got none. So, this is the final And that is it for today, y'all. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment down below what y'all want to see next. And with that being said, it's your girl G RAYSKII.